So we recently celebrated my son's birthday and he wanted to eat a chocolate cake. But me and my husband wanted to eat a cheesecake. So I thought, why not make something that has all our favorite things in one cake? And I did just that, made an all things nice cake. So here it is. Check out the ingredients and the recipe. So we'll start off by powdering the digestive biscuits in a blender. I have the butter melting alongside. And now I'm going to mix the melted butter into the powdered digestive biscuits. This is going to form the base of our cheesecake. Remember, the butter should only be slightly salted and not too salty. Here I'm using unsalted butter, adding 2 pinches of salt. We will gently flatten it out on the cake tin, which is lined with parchment paper. And now stick the biscuit base in the freezer till we prepare our cheesecake batter. In a separate bowl, add 100 grams of cream and add in the powdered sugar and give it a good mix. When nicely combined, now add in the cream cheese and give it a good mix. So this cheesecake is with no egg or gelatin. So we have to be very mindful about the batter consistency. It should be such that a spoonful does not drop down easily until shaken off. Now we'll pour half the cheesecake batter onto the biscuit base and flatten it out. Put this in the fridge again for some more cooling. Tap the cake tin twice to even it out. I'm melting here 2 teaspoons of strawberry compote and cooling it off before putting it on the cake. Remember, nothing goes onto the cake really hot because it will destroy the consistency of the cake batter. After cooling off the compote, I'm putting it on the cake randomly and spreading it off with the help of the end of a spoon. And now apply the rest of the cheesecake batter, cover it up evenly and put it in the fridge for cooling. Now pour 2 teaspoons of fresh cream onto the white chocolate and melt it using a double boiler. Remember that we have to cool off the white chocolate ganache again before putting it onto the cake batter. Once the white chocolate ganache is cooled, we'll apply it onto the cake batter evenly and again stick it in the fridge. I'll now make some dark chocolate ganache by putting 2 teaspoons of cream onto the dark chocolate and melting the dark chocolate by the double boiling method. Once the dark chocolate is completely melted, we are going to take it off the flame and let it cool for some time. And now, after it is completely cooled off, I am going to do the same thing that I did with the white chocolate ganache. Spread it onto the cake and flatten it out evenly. After this step, now the cake goes into the fridge for a good 5 to 6 hours. After the cake has had a good cooling time of around 5 to 6 hours, I took it out of the fridge and now I am decorating it with some almonds and cashews. Your wonderful all things nice cake is ready and can be enjoyed now. This cake was a big hit with my son and it pleased me every time he asked for another piece. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you really loved it. Do let me know your thoughts about the recipe in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel Tasty Treats right here. Have a wonderful day.